The current status of the market is closed as of Sunday, December 14, 2025. The last recorded closing price for Ondas Holdings, ticker symbol ONDS, was $8.75, which was the final print from the trading session on Friday, December 12. During that last active session, we saw the stock slide by approximately 3.07%, despite having touched intraday highs closer to $9.58 earlier in the day. This volatility is not just noise, it is the heartbeat of a company that is currently undergoing one of the most aggressive transformations in the small-cap defense and industrial technology sector. You might be looking at that $8.75 price tag and thinking this is just another speculative drone play, perhaps similar to the volatile movements we see in other small-cap tech listings, or the way retail traders discuss Tesla stock when it enters a hype cycle. The expectation here is that Ondas is merely a hardware manufacturer, a company that builds flying robots and hopes someone buys them. That is the surface-level narrative that keeps many investors on the sidelines or treating this as a quick flip on their Robinhood app. But the reality, the one that the institutional order flow and recent contract wins are beginning to whisper, is substantially different. Ondas Holdings is effectively shedding its skin as a simple drone maker and is rapidly emerging as a diversified critical infrastructure and defense technology conglomerate. We are not just talking about flying cameras anymore. We are talking about a company that is aggregating combat-proven technology, specifically from high-intensity conflict zones like Ukraine and Israel, and packaging it for Western government consumption. When you realize that they are securing repeat orders for counter-drone systems at major European airports and investing millions into Ukrainian drone tech, the narrative shifts from speculative gadget maker to defense infrastructure play. Let's look closer at the price action because it tells a story of conflict between believers and skeptics. The stock has been oscillating in a violent range, popping up to nearly $9.60 and then getting sold back down to the high $8. This is classic accumulation behavior, where long-term holders are trying to build positions without spiking the price, while short-term traders on platforms like Interactive Brokers or Webull are taking quick profits on the volatility. The recent drop on Friday to $8.75 might feel disappointing to those who bought the breakout earlier in the week, but you have to contextualize this against the news flow. Just days ago, the stock was trending up significantly following the announcement of an $11 million investment into the Drone Fight Group. This isn't a marketing stunt. This is Ondas securing access to battle-hardened technology. In the world of defense contracting, tested in combat is the ultimate seal of approval, far more valuable than any wind tunnel simulation. By tapping into Ukrainian drone tech, Ondas is effectively bypassing years of R&D time, allowing them to bring to market products that global militaries know actually work in jamming heavy environments. We also need to discuss the boring side of the business that nobody talks about on social media, but is likely why Fidelity investment managers might be running their due diligence models right now. That is the rail sector. You recently saw Brent Lang, a railroad executive, join the board. Why does that matter? Because Ondas Networks, the other half of this company, holds the keys to the .16 protocol. This is the wireless standard that the Association of American Railroads is looking at to modernize the communication grid of North America's railways. This is not sexy AI like NVIDIA stock. This is industrial plumbing. But if Ondas becomes the standard bearer for how trains communicate data across thousands of miles of track, that revenue stream becomes sticky, recurring, and incredibly high margin. Most retail investors using SoFi Invest or skimming headlines on the Robinhood app completely miss this. They're focused on the drones because drones are cool. But the rail network deal is the foundational bedrock that could justify a much higher valuation floor in the future. The earnings picture recently released for Q3 of 2025 further complicates the expectation versus reality dynamic. The headline number was a stunner. Revenue surged 580% year-over-year to $10.1 million. If you just saw that headline, you would think the stock should be at $20, but the reality is the operating loss, which came in at around $15.5 million. This is the tension. The company is growing its top line at a blistering pace, almost unheard of for a hardware-heavy company, but it's costing them a fortune to do it. They are spending heavily to integrate recent acquisitions like Roboteam and Centrix. This cash burn is the bear case that keeps the price tethered to $8.75. Investors who use Schwab Intelligent Portfolios or seek investment help from conservative advisors often tell to avoid companies with this kind of burn rate. However, the counter-argument, and the one that bullish analysts at Needham, who recently raised their target to $12, are making, is that this spend is an investment in capturing market share now, before the window closes. The defense budget cycle is shifting towards autonomous systems, and Ondas is spending money to ensure they have the best portfolio of ground and air robots when the big government tenders are awarded. Let's talk about the specific technology because it helps explain why this isn't just a generic tech stock. You have the Iron Drone Raider system. This is an interceptor drone. It doesn't just jam other drones, it physically hunts them down and disables them. They just secured an $8.2 million order for this system at a major European airport. This is the second order from that customer. In the world of institutional brokerage and enterprise sales, the second order is the most important one. The first order is a test. The second order is adoption. It means the system worked. With airport security becoming a paramount concern globally and the threat of unauthorized drones rising, Ondas is positioning itself as the go-to solution for airspace security. This aligns them with the same thematic tailwinds that drive interest in cybersecurity stocks or defense primes, yet they trade at a fraction of the valuation. For the individual investor sitting at home, perhaps managing a self-investing account or looking at online investing options, the question is always, is this the next big thing or a value trap? To answer that, you have to look at the NVIDIA angle. No, Ondas doesn't make chips, but NVIDIA stock soared because it provided the infrastructure for AI. Ondas is trying to provide the infrastructure for physical AI. An autonomous drone inspecting a railroad track or a border patrol robot is essentially an edge AI device. It needs to process data in real time. Ondas is building the platforms, the actual robots, and the communication networks that allow this physical AI to exist in the real world. While everyone else is fighting over the digital realm, Ondas is trying to monopolize the dirty, dangerous, and dull jobs that physical robots can do. Comment below how many shares of Ondas Holdings you currently hold, or if you were waiting for a dip below $8 to start a position. I'm curious to see where the sentiment is among this viewer base. Moving deeper into the market mechanics, we have seen interesting volume patterns. The up days volume has been significantly higher than the down days volume, which technically suggests bullish divergence. When the stock falls, like it did on Friday, the volume tends to dry up, meaning there isn't a mass exodus of shareholders. People are holding. This is crucial for those of you using Fidelity trading platforms or Interactive Brokers trading tools. Watch the volume-weighted average price. The stock has been respecting key technical levels around $8.50. If it holds that line, the path to the analyst target of $12 looks technically sound. However, if the broader market sells off, say if there is a correction in the Nasdaq or if Tesla stock drags down the high beta sector, Ondas could easily flush down to the $7 level simply due to lack of liquidity. It's a small cap, and liquidity is a double-edged sword. One aspect that often gets overlooked is the systems of systems approach. Most competitors in this space make one thing, a drone, a sensor, or a software package. Ondas has spent the last year acquiring the pieces to offer the whole package. They bought American Robotics for the automated hangars. They bought Air Robotics for the urban data collection. They bought Centrix for the counter-drone cyber capabilities, and they bought RoboTeam for the ground robots. Now, when they walk into a meeting with a government official or a logistics giant, they aren't selling a gadget, they are selling a fully integrated autonomous perimeter defense solution. This is a strategy that appeals to fidelity wealth management types who look for companies with moats. A disjointed collection of gadgets is easy to replace. An integrated ecosystem is very sticky. However, we must address the risks frankly. The reality side of our equation includes the possibility of dilution. With a high burn rate and a stock price under $10, if they need to raise capital, it could be painful for existing shareholders. We have seen this happen with countless growth stocks. You might believe in the long-term vision, but if the company issues 10 million new shares to keep the lights on, your slice of the pie gets smaller. This is why you see hesitation on investing sites and forums. Investors are waiting